Hello again and welcome to brand new content about TISAX. I hope you will enjoy the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. For more information and the latest blog, visit us at www.tsaxusa.com. Like always, we will jump right in, so let's get started. Many companies treat TISAX as a one-time project. That is a mistake. A TISAX label is valid for 3 years, but that does not mean you can stop after the audit. You are expected to maintain your security level throughout that entire period. And this is where many organizations slowly drift off track. Right after the assessment, everything looks good. Policies are in place, controls are working, people are aware, but then, over time, things change. New employees join, systems get updated, processes evolve, and if security is not actively maintained, gaps start to appear. That is why maintaining a TISAX label requires continuous effort. This includes ongoing risk management, not just once a year, but regularly reviewing new risks, changes in your environment, and new business activities. Regular reviews. For example, access reviews, policy reviews, and internal checks to make sure controls are still applied as intended. Continuous training. Employees forget. New employees are not trained yet. Security awareness must be repeated, not assumed. And updating controls as needed. If your business changes, your controls must change with it. Now, here is something important to understand. Auditors do not just look at your current state during the next assessment. This is a key sentence. They will look at consistency over time. They may ask, have you been performing access reviews regularly? Can you show records from the past year? Are your risk assessments updated, or are they outdated documents? If your processes only come back to life right before the next audit, it will be visible. Another point that is often underestimated is customer perception. Even between assessments, your customers may rely on your TISAX label. If issues occur or if security incidents happen, trust can be impacted immediately, not just during recertification. So the real risk is not just failing the next assessment. The real risk is losing trust before you even get there. The key takeaway is this: TISAX is not a finish line. It is an ongoing commitment. If you treat it like a project, you will struggle at the next assessment. If you treat it like part of your daily operations, it becomes manageable. My name is Daniel McLean, and I hope this information will be helpful. And if you need more information or have detailed questions, feel free to reach out to us at www.tsaxusa.com. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more informational content about TISAX.